Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, man, welcome back. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. Yeah, man, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man, don't forget to like the video. Give me a thumbs up, please. When you subscribe, put on the post notification bell so whatever time we post a video, you'll be first to be notified. Yeah, man, so you don't miss anything. You watch the video as you post them. Yeah, man, so at the moment, my wife will be chefing up something in the kitchen for us. This time is not me doing any cooking. My wife will be cooking. So she'll be cooking some chicken Alfredo. Thank you, mom. Wow, what a big difference or a change. I always cook and the children and the missus eat. But now the table has turned. Mrs. Cook, now I am eating. I am the taster. So I'm gonna test this chicken Alfredo and judge it. You know, see what she done. It looks good. You know, hopefully it tastes good too. So, nice and juicy. That's the way I like my Alfredo. Yes, I give this 10 out of 10. Very nice, very tasty, not too spicy, just right. So yes guys, this is it. My wife cooked me dinner today, chicken Alfredo, nice and delicious. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and put on the post notification whenever time you subscribe. Okay, until next time, cook and inspire in and out the kitchen. But I should have said it either way. Cook and inspire your wife in and out the kitchen. Bless. Have a blessed day.